this powerful training tutorial, I will teach you the 11 habits of highly successful people. These habits are super easy to implement and they will ensure you see continued success in everything you do. It doesn't matter if you are trying to land the job of your dreams, become a millionaire, buy a house, or have enough money to give you the freedom you want. If you use any combination of these 11 habits, you will quickly see great results in everything you do. So if you want to achieve everything you set out to achieve in life, make sure you stay tuned and watch this tutorial from start to finish. And please make sure you hit that subscribe button. I am here to help you progress throughout your life. I can only do that if you are subscribed. And please give the video a like because that motivates me to create more content for you. Thank you very much indeed. Let's jump straight into the tutorial. Habit number 1 of highly successful people is they always have a goal they are working towards achieving. Now, when you set yourself definitive goals, it gives you something to focus on. Write down one goal you want to achieve this year and don't stop until you complete it. Now, it does not matter how big or small your goal is, when you write it down, it becomes real. Your goal might be to get fit, lose weight, be financially free, land the job of your dreams, or buy your first house. Once you have written down your goal, determine the steps you must take to achieve it. And once you've reached your goal, set yourself another one. Now, the habit of setting yourself goals will ensure you are continually progressing and achieving success in your life. Habit number 2 of highly successful people is they understand the importance of knowledge. What do I mean by this? Well, as a subscriber of this channel, you already know the importance of knowledge. The knowledge I give you helps you to improve in life and get the edge over the competition. Remember this, knowledge is power. And when you start to read books, complete training courses, and watch educational YouTube videos regularly, you will achieve your life goals much faster. Habit number 3 of highly successful people is they surround themselves with positive people. This is very important. Do you know someone in your life who is always negative, complains about everything, and blames other people for their problems? Well, if you do, you will know how draining they can be. When you start to block out all forms of negativity in your life, great things will happen. You will feel energized, confident in your abilities, focused, and positive about the future. So to start blocking out negativity from your life, try doing the following 3 things in the next week and see what happens. Number 1, don't watch or read the news. Instead, go for a walk or read a self-development book. Now, I have put a list of 3 great books you can read in the description below the video. Number 2, if someone you know starts talking about their problems or negative news stories, change the subject. Ask them what their plans are for the weekend, or give them praise for a quality you admire in them. And the 3rd thing I want you to try in the next week is to limit the time you spend with negative people. Remember, this is your life. And if someone makes you feel tired, downbeat, or drained, don't meet up with them. Instead, do something for you. Meditate, work on your fitness, or improve your knowledge, because when you do all of these things, success will definitely start to happen. Habit number 4 of highly successful people is they are patient and consistent. Now, success feels better when it is earned. For example, when I started this YouTube channel, I had no subscribers, but I was determined to succeed no matter how long it took. I uploaded videos consistently and I was patient. Eventually, I hit 1,000 subscribers, 10,000 subscribers, 100,000, 1 million, and now 3 million subscribers. It's taken 12 years to get here, but the journey has been amazing. Now, when you are working towards your goals, take consistent action and big things will definitely start to happen for you. Be consistent and never give up on your goals. Habit number 5 of highly successful people is they listen more than they speak. This is important. Always remember this. When you are listening and observing, you are learning and absorbing useful information to help you achieve your goals. Highly successful people listen more than they speak. Learn the art of listening and you will attract more attention from people, knowledge and respect. Habit number 6 of highly successful people is they use failure as an opportunity to improve. Now, I see some people on this channel say they attended an interview, but they didn't get the job. However, they then asked me for advice, they listened, and they now feel more confident they will get hired at the next interview. Their positivity alone will ensure success comes their way soon. Now, when things don't go your way, if you fail or make a mistake, ask yourself the following 2 questions. Question number 1, what did I learn from the situation to help me improve? And question number 2, what would I do differently next time to make sure I'm successful? Start using failure as an opportunity to grow and improve, and great things will definitely start to happen for you soon. Habit number 7 of highly successful people is they are prepared to take risks. This again is very important. If you don't take calculated risks in your life, it will be very hard to get where you want to be. For example, if you hate your job, but you are not prepared to find a new one, you may always be unhappy. If you are not prepared to stop spending time with negative or toxic people, you may never develop a positive mindset. Now, taking risks will get you where you want to be in life much faster. Don't be afraid to take calculated risks. If there is an opportunity, you'll succeed. Habit number 8 of highly successful people is they get up early every morning. Start getting up an hour earlier than usual and use that time to develop yourself. As soon as you get up, make your bed. That's important. Then either read a book, meditate, go for a brisk walk, or head to the gym. That extra hour in the morning will help you to develop a formidable mindset, give you more confidence, and teach you the importance of self-discipline. Habit number 9 of highly successful people is they don't care what other people think. Most people worry about what other people think of them. They seek approval from their friends, co-workers, or peers for their decisions or plans. This isn't helpful to their goals. Yes, if you trust someone and they have your best interests at heart, listen to their advice. However, to succeed, you must adopt the mindset that the only opinion that truly matters is yours. Once you start to not care what people think of you, it empowers you to focus on your goals. You will brush off negative thoughts easily and ignore jealous people who are intent on holding you back. Habit number 10 of highly successful people is they limit their time on social media. This is really important. How much time do you spend scrolling through Instagram, checking out what your friends are doing on Facebook, or watching hundreds of TikTok videos? Ask yourself this question: is the time I am spending on social media helping me achieve my goals? If the answer is no, then limit the time you spend on there. Instead, allocate more time to taking action, learning, and working towards achieving your goals. Habit 11 of highly successful people is they are action takers. Now, the one thing that will make you loads more successful in life is taking consistent action. Do you remember at the start of this video, I told you to write down one goal and then take action, consistent action towards achieving it. You can be the most talented person in the world, but if you don't take consistent action, you won't achieve anything. I'll give you an example. In the last 6 months, I've lost almost 3 stone in weight. I have achieved my goal by walking a minimum of 15,000 steps every day. Taking action every day towards your own goals will ensure you'll be successful. Okay, so let me now summarize quickly those 11 habits of highly successful people, and you can then start working towards your goals. Habit number 1, they always have a goal they are working towards achieving. Habit number 2, they understand the importance of knowledge. Habit number 3, they surround themselves with positive people. Habit number 4, they are patient and consistent. Habit number 5, they listen more than they speak. Habit number 6 of highly successful people is they use failure as an opportunity to improve. Habit number 7, they are prepared to take risks. Habit number 8, they get up early every morning. Habit number 9 of successful people is they don't care what other people think of them. Habit number 10, they limit their time on social media. And habit number 11, they are action takers. Okay, so there's 11 habits of highly successful people. I really hope you've enjoyed that tutorial. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I am here to help you progress throughout your life. I can only do that if you are subscribed. Please make sure you give the video a like. I really appreciate that. It motivates me to create more content for you. And don't forget to connect with me on LinkedIn. I have put my LinkedIn link in the description below the video. It's always a pleasure and an honor to connect with like-minded professionals such as yourself. Thank you for watching and supporting my channel. I wish you all the best in achieving your life goals. Have a great day.